What's going on? We got this high pressure oil pump line kit here for the 7.3. This feeds both the heads, and then you got your head-to-head crossover line here. And then of course all your fittings here seem to be pretty good quality fittings. They've already got the O-rings on them. Got your paperwork here on the kit. Nice pictures in here, which is always a plus. Kind of look at here and see everything real visibly. Nice detailed description. We're going to go ahead and get this thing installed on this truck here and show you what it looks like on the truck. So here in the truck we actually got one line off over here. We've already got our fitting in over here. Wish this was a little cleaner. Working on this one still. We got this side of it off, and then right there you can see we got that one off. Now inside there in them holes you've got these little check valves, and this side here goes down in the hole first. Make sure you get both these springs out of there, out of them holes. This will increase your oil flow pulling these out. These little check valves, like I said, they're just right down in there, and then there's one in there. We got them both out. We're gonna go ahead and get this other line off on this side, get these new lines on here, and then right here where this one hooks up and that one hooks up right there, basically you're gonna see our plug right here behind that one, and a plug on this head right behind this one. These are the two plugs you're gonna pull out and install your other fittings. For your crossover hose is gonna go from this side to this side. We're gonna go ahead and get this done. All right, so we got the old lines off now, and just want to mention that right here you do have to have a special tool to pull this apart, but if you're taking the whole thing off, you can just turn these and it will swivel with you. As we're changing the adapters in there anyways, we just pulled the whole thing off. Here's the check valves that I spoke of. Got them out, got the old lines off. We have them all installed. Got the crossover back there, as you can see, runs over right there. And then this one here towards the back runs over right there. And then the driver's side head, the 90 swings around to the straight right down there in the front. So we're gonna go run the truck now, see how this thing performs. But overall the install went pretty good, and I'm happy so far. All right, we got the lines in, we're in the truck now. I got it running already, and kind of moved it around just a little bit, and I feel that I can already tell that the truck sounds a little smoother. Like the idle just sounds a little smoother, like slightly quieter, it seems to me. And I can definitely tell you barely have to push down the pedal now, and like as soon as you touch the pedal, it seems like it's right there, way more than it ever was. I'd say it's due to the crossover line. So overall I'm pretty happy with this kit. It seemed to have worked pretty well. I mean, you just barely touch the pedal and it just seems like it's right there. Just truck wants to go. Pretty happy overall. Feels pretty good.